In this video we are going to learn how to remove a picture background, how to remove the background of a picture. You don't need to download multiple apps just for this. So I'm going to use this picture for example. We're going to use this picture, how to remove these backgrounds here, everything here, how to remove it, leaving only this one, this particular guy here. I want you to just click on the subscription button that is here on my Baniba TT YouTube channel. You can follow us on YouTube and also on Facebook. Just click on the subscription button, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell to be notified on our videos. So like I said, we are going to use this picture for this tutorial, and to do this you only need Microsoft Office. Use just Microsoft Office to do this editing, just to take the background of this picture. How to clear these backgrounds using Microsoft Office. Microsoft, you see Microsoft Publisher, all versions, either 10, 7, any. Okay, after you launch it, they will ask you of templates. These are templates, but I want a blank page. So you just come here to the blank page and you choose a size. Which paper size will you like to use? But I prefer using the A4 landscape. We have landscape and then portrait, but I like the landscape. So you look for A4 landscape. Double click on it and the template is open. A blank page is opened. Now after this, or when it opens, you go back to a desktop or go to where the picture is. You copy the picture you want to use. You want to crop the one you want to crop, then come and paste it here. So this is the picture I am going to use for the cropping, or how to remove the background. I'm going to use this picture, first enlarging it, and the next thing you are going to do now is to click on the crop. Click on crop, you crop it, and you're enlarging it again. You see, when it is enlarged, your work becomes very easy. You don't waste time in doing it. Alright, now we are going to start by coming to the swap text. You click on the swap text, which is here, swap text. Just click on it and you go for edit swap points. Now the swap points are ready for the editing, but before you start the editing, you come here for the zooming. You increase it to 290 or 300. You can use any depending on your screen resolution. So you just start. You see a red line, you see some red line. Just go to any, click on the red line itself. Just click and drag to the picture. This is the head. Just put it here. Remember, if you cross this way, let me show you the outcome. It will not be nice. That's why I said you zoom it so that you can get the accurate picture. So if you mistakenly do this, you only need to go straight to the same point, click and drag it back. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna zoom it to at least 200 or 300. Good, to make a very nice work. It's good you go to 300. And please remember, you have to take it small to make your work neat and nice. If you just take it long this way, it will not be nice. You have to take it small till you're done. So let's zoom in, let's see what we are doing. Okay, this is it. See, the background is what we are actually removing. So we are going to take the background one by one, step by step, till everything is finished. Now the background is removed, but we still have one particular place still not removed, which is here. So we are going to check on how to remove this part. So it goes through the same place, swap text, then edit swap points. Now this time you increase the zoom in. Currently I'm using 532%. Now you need to click on that same point, that red line, then click again, and then drag in between inside this way. Now to cover this hole, you click on this one, pull it to this part. Now this one here, you stop here, and this one here will also stop here. To clear, you see there's some white, you need to clear this white line here. So you click on this one, you bring it right on top of the other, this way. That's why I said you need to zoom it. Zoom it very well so that you can get the accurate work done. Edit. So this time with your editing, alright, we are done with the editing. So now after you finish with the editing, now we need a background for the picture. This is currently the picture, but we need a background for this picture. You can there are two ways of making the background. The first step is either copy any background at all, I want to use this background for the picture, so you just copy the background. It's here, copy it. Now go to the publisher and paste it. Paste, you can right click on the paste, or you can also press Ctrl and V on your keyboard and you still paste. Now you see one thing, when you paste, it's on top of your picture. Your picture is down, you can't see it. So you come, bring send to back. Just click on, so you now send to back. You see your picture comes forward. Send to backwards. Then you come to your picture. Then you now press on bring forward. Now after which you have to enlarge it so that the picture can fit inside well. So this is how it works. This is the first background. If you want to use this background, you see it's very simple. And after which you just press Ctrl and A to highlight the work done. Just highlight both, and you now come to this place, you right click, now go to group, you group them together, you can move them anywhere. The crop picture, remember this is the picture we have cropped. From this now to save this, you can right click on this, right click on the picture or the edit you just did, right click on it, then go to save as picture. Click on save as picture once, then the pop-ups appears, then you save it. What file, the file name, what name would you like to save it? So I will save it Abamo. So when we go to the desktop now, we'll be having this here. So this was the picture this is the original picture, and now this is the outcome of the picture we made. So you don't need to download multiple programs for this cropping or for removing of background. We just need to use only Microsoft Office.